Hello, this is Mr. Kays, and this is 31.1a. 31.1a. Our discussion today is about the years after World War I, post-war uncertainty. These years are filled with people who questioned traditional beliefs, Some of them were really angry at a civilization, at a people, at a government who brought them into the horrors of war. And they were questioning these beliefs. During this time, there were people who changed the way the world was seen. One such person was Albert Einstein. He was a German Jew. His new ideas on space, time, energy, and matter became important. New ideas on space, time, energy, and matter, and the way they were seen. He developed the theory of relativity. E equals mc squared. Does it look familiar? E equals energy. Energy equals m, mass, times the speed of light squared. What does this have to do with us? Well, space and time can change when measured relative to an object moving near the speed of light. Space and time can change when measured relative to an object moving near the speed of light. What it did was it weakened Sir Isaac Newton's universal laws of physics. It weakens Newton's universal laws of physics. Newton said there are universal laws, they don't change in the universe. Well, Einstein said, well, that might be different. That might not be so. In the field of psychiatry, we have an Austrian by the name of Sigmund Freud. His studies on the unconscious mind. He used terms like id, ego, superego. His studies weaken faith and reason and logic. His studies weaken faith in reason and logic because he stated that dreams, our dream world, means something. If you dream about falling off a cliff, that means something. If you dream about being chased or losing your hair or your teeth, that means something. Your unconscious mind is going to spill out into your conscious mind, I believe. Another school of thought was existentialism. It's the belief that there is no universal meaning to life. The belief that there is no universal meaning to life. Each person creates his or her own meaning through choices made. Each person creates his or her own meaning in life through choices made. Now, an important existentialist was a Frenchman by the name of Jean-Paul Sartre, S-A-R-T-R-E. S-A-R-T-R-E. I want you to take a look at a couple of these important people. This gentleman right here is Albert Einstein, mathematician, physicist. His work is going to develop and be expanded to include nuclear weapons. He was just thinking, wow, nuclear power, cool. How about nuclear weapons? He wasn't too happy with that. And then here's Dr. Sigmund Freud, around the turn of the century, 1900, Austrian psychiatrist. Friedrich Nietzsche was a German existentialist. He stated that reason, R-E-A-S-O-N, reason, democracy, and progress stifled people's creativity and actions. He stated that reason, democracy, and progress stifled people's creativity and actions. He desired a return to heroic values of pride, assertiveness, and strength. Heroic values of pride, assertiveness, and strength. Now, this is an important guy right here, Nietzsche, because Adolf Hitler is going to read his philosophy and incorporate a lot of it in Nazism. He is going to say that the German people are superior people, and they are going to take what is rightfully theirs, and they shouldn't be feel sorry about it because they are supermen. Nietzsche's philosophy is going to influence Hitler. The next time we meet, we're going to be looking at art during these post-war years. This is Mr. Kays with 31.1A. See you down the road.